What would you like for dinner tonight? You don't know?
What do you say?
You know what I'm saying.
Hey! You turning the lights off? Mommy likes it when the lights are on.
It's complicated.
Oh, it's too dark. It's too dark, brother.
Well, when you turn the lights off, it gets dark, silly goose. You mean it's too light? Whoa! Oh, a light show. Should I make dinner now? Are you hungry? You're not hungry? It's because you just ate chips.
Oh. I'll get chips.
You gonna have those for dinner?
White Collar is brought to you by L'Oreal Paris because
No.
you're worth it.
No. What are you gonna have for dinner?
This is a brush, color that's vibrant,
The one and only Fairy
Do you know?
multifaceted color that transforms.
Chips?
triple highlights that shimmer from every angle. Never dull, never flat.
Can I have one? Hey, don't put them back. That's gross. Can I have a chip?
But I don't have some.
Yes, you
Have,
you fibber. You have a whole bag. Can I have a chip?
I'll look at yours. I can look at yours.
You're gonna look for mine.
15 minutes can save 15%.
What's taking you so long? Chip, please.
I'll try yours.
Can that be mine?
I'm gonna eat apples.
Ladies, now look. Selling is the trick.
Oh,
Geico. 15 minutes.
thanks for the chip.
You know, when your worst symptoms
Thank you.
Okay,
No, that's mine. Thank you.
I want
No.
it.
You're supposed to say you're welcome. Say you're welcome, Mommy.
Eat yours.
You're gonna eat my chip? that was mine.
What?